Perhaps you think the five elements are something out of a fantasy novel and only useful in stories or games. But actually, they represent a model, a way to interpret how things work, or an analogy. The five elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element represents something, and each element gives rise to another. So, how does this apply to real life? Well, for example, when you start a project, you might start with some inspiring but abstract idea. And these qualities are associated with water, because water represents wisdom, but is also shapeless like your idea. Then it's time to be disciplined and add some structure to your idea. And similarly, water gives rise to wood, and indeed, wood represents growth and structure. So we can fit reality to our model, but our model can also fit reality to give us an idea. After your project is taking shape, you might ask, what's the next step? Wood gives rise to fire, which represents action and positivity. This could be advertising, taking action, and sharing your project with others. So the five elements aren't simply a fun idea, but they can also be an analogy to help guide us in figuring out what naturally comes next. But isn't yin-yang also a model? Don't these two concepts contradict? Find out in a future video.